In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a watermark from a video using CapCut with a free and simple method. Let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC and import your video. Add it to the timeline and you'll see the watermark on the screen. Now export a still frame from the video and save it to your computer. Next, open Google and search for Pixmondo AI. Open the website and find the Magic Eraser tool. Drag and upload the screenshot you exported from CapCut. Click on Select Text and Pixmondo will automatically detect the watermark text. Click to remove it and the watermark will be erased cleanly. Then download the edited image. Go back to CapCut and import the edited image and place it as an overlay above your main video on the timeline. Use the Mask tool, choose the rectangle mask, and adjust it to cover the watermark area. Increase the feather until it blends perfectly with the video.
If this method doesn't work, you can use the blur effect. If your CapCut is the full version, then simply copy the clip and take it to Overlay. After that, go to the Effects panel, search for Blur, and place the blur effect on top of your clip. Then go to Mask and try the same process again.
And that's it! You successfully removed a watermark using CapCut and Pixmondo. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.